Street lights flickered on the corner of the square. I think I saw a stranger standing in the humid air. We shared a drink, we shared a joke, we talked about the road. I was carrying the music, you were carrying a load. The night was thick with jasmine and the scent of falling rain. But now the face is blurry and the memory is just a stain. Fade like a shadow in the heavy lights. Ghost of me, passing moment in the velvet night. Did you ever really stay? Or did the morning sunshine wash the memory all away? I'm sitting in the diner, 200 miles from home, looking at the pages of a book I've outgrown. Your voice is just a whisper, a static on the line. Did we dance upon the levee? Did we ever drink the wine? The details are all crumbling like the mortar in the wall. I'm trying to remember, but I cannot quite recall.